Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Attendance Report Advance in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app enhances attendance tracking by allowing user to manage overtime within a specific date range and apply an overtime approved hours filter in attendance reports. This module helps businesses streamline workforce management, ensuring accurate tracking of employee work hours and overtime calculation for better payroll and compliance management. So for that, we need to go into the employee module. Here you can see all the employees. Select any one employee. Here I am selecting Beth Evans. Open Beth Evans and here you can see the profile for Beth Evans. You can see the manager of Beth Evans is Paul Williamson. After all of this, under configuration, you will find a menu named Employee Request. Here we will create a new employee request. Click on New and enter all the details. Enter employee name. Here we are selecting Beth Evans. You can see the manager name has been updated automatically. After that, add your request date as today date or whatever date you want to add. After that, for request for, write overtime. After this, in request type, select overtime. Now, add your start date time, select today's date and add your time. We are selecting 9 o'clock as our start time. And for the end date, select today's date and for time, we will be selecting 11 as our end time. Here you can see the overtime duration is 2 hours. After this, we will save and click on send request. Here you can see the duration and after this click on send request. Now after sending the request, here you can see a request has been sent to your manager. Here you can see all the details of your request. Here in company action taken status, we can see it is on hold. Here you can see the stage of your request is running. Now either manager can approve or reject the request. From reject button, you can reject the request and it will be in reject stage. And if you click on approve request, you can see the manager is approving the request. You can see in company action taken status, it is in working. Here you can see your request is in approved state. And here you can find a mail from your manager to you on approval. After all of this, we will hop on to the settings. Before that, we will go into the timesheet. Under reporting, we will find a menu named timesheet or attendance analysis. Here we can see all the analysis of timesheet. Here we will open the month. We will be opening March. Click on employee. And in Beth Evans, you can see 2 hours for overtime approved. You can see that 2 hours for Beth Evans is overtime approved. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.